I bet you've all been wondering, what is she going to pack to bring to Hawaii? And if you haven't been wondering that, you should have. So stay tuned and I will pack my suitcase with you guys watching. So hang on. Hi, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And today I'm going to pack my suitcase for Hawaii while you guys all watch. Lucky you. So on the bed here, everything you see on here is going to be going with me. I don't know if you can see it all. Let's see. It's all, yeah, a lot of stuff. So, let's see. I had to fiddle with this to see what's the best way to have the camera. So here's my suitcase. Now we're doing all carry-on. So of course this will go in the overhead. So this is your regular size carry-on one. So how I do it, and every time we go somewhere I pack a little differently depending on where it is we're going. Now what I do first is there's things that I call my first layer. So that's things like, well, here's a couple of books in case I've got one I'm bringing on the plane, but in case I need more than one, I've got more than one. A little card game that we like to play. Yes, we play cards when we go on trips together. So that all fits down in the, and you see, in between those rails. Then let's see. Of course, there's sockies. They can fit nicely. Bunch of, little no-show socks. Okay. Let's see, this I'll probably smush in later. Now, when I do pack the clothes, I'm bringing this cosmetic bag. That's already full of stuff from my last trip that I just didn't bother unpacking it, but I'm going to be going through this. But it will go down here, right side up, so that when the suitcase is standing, it's upright. So that will go down at the very end here. You can see that. See, it fits, and I still have room over here. So that's going to be going down there. Okay. I know it rains off and on there, so I'm bringing an umbrella. Ooh, let's see, what else goes up in there or down there? Bathing suit, something I never wear, but this time we might be, so I'm bringing my bathing suit. Let's see, that'll go. Padding in the bottom. So, I've got the bottom layer packed. So then, let's see, I wonder if it'd be better if I come over here. I've got my bottoms go in next. Or maybe my shoes, okay. Okay. Like I say, when I do my videos, what you see is what you get. I'm bringing flip-flops this time when we go down to the beach or the pool. I don't want my good sandals to get ruined from the sand. So I've got these different shoe bags. I'll have to keep from, try to pack them as, and a lot of times I shove them around the side, but it looks like in this case it's going to work better on the bottom. And then here's my one pair of sandals. Now, the first thing I did though, let me sit down, was I grabbed the clothes I'm going to wear on the plane. So that's where I will wear my long pants, my hoodie, little jacket hoodie in case I need something, to warm up at all once we get there. My tennis shoes, because, they're bigger to pack than, say, like sandals are. So that's set aside. Where did I set it? Oh, right here. I've got this little space here, and there's like a little ledge down below the closet that I set things. out of my way. Let's see. So that's another shoe bag. I'm gonna slide that one up against that end. Okay. I'm wondering, maybe I will put these in this upper flap. Now save some room here in the bottom. Now let me, I'm sorry, this isn't very organized, but here's my clothes to put on in the morning. Ooh, ooh, ooh. My long pants. And these pants are nice. They've got zippers on the pockets, so if I want to put things in my pockets like ID and stuff, I can zip it closed. So in here, I'm just setting these down here because kind of get them out of my way. So these are going to go in that top layer. Okay. Okay, now let's get to the clothing again. My bottoms, I'm bringing 2 pairs of navy bottoms, or you know, like capri length, and 1 pair of this green because that's what goes with my shirts and things. So I'm thinking I'm going to put my several pairs of jammies here, Christmas, that I'm going to put down first to even that out a little. And then I try to keep the pants folded like once because that way it helps keep them from getting too wrinkly. So 2 pairs of shorts, 3 pairs of bottoms. And then I have got, I don't know what, I've never bring dresses. Here's my tops. Here's one pretty pattern. Now, usually I will use those compression cubes, but I didn't bring any. So I'm going to do, folding. Let's put that shirt. I think this shirt I had gotten, I don't know, I'm feeling like it's a little snug. And another one, pretty pattern. It goes with navy. So I'm packing them all towards this group towards one side. Another pattern one. That's right, I need to leave space there. Okay, leave space there. Let's do it from this side. Leave space for the cosmetic bag. And then this one, some of you may have already seen these because I got them and did a video. That one I just kind of rolled up and put down the side here. And then this one. Let's see. I'll roll this one too. So I'm doing kind of a combo of rolling, and folding. Then I've got this one dress. So, in order to keep it from wrinkling too much, I'm going to put that in last. Okay, now, what I have left is this, like I say, that will go in this pair of shoes. I'm going to put. Now you're thinking, did she pack any underwear? It's already packed. I didn't figure you need to see that. I open them up flat, and I put them in the thin little flap that's, this side of the suitcase. Then I still have a little flap that I can put other things in. So I think I'm going to try the sandals, or not sandals, but flip-flops. And I've got a laundry bag. It can fold up small, but I can't remember how to do it. So we'll put that there. Okay. Now, is that everything? I think that's everything that can go in there, because I don't want to make the suitcase protrude out too much for when we put it in the overhead bin. Alrighty. So this little bag I'll kind of just lay right there. This has my, my little probiotics that are like gummy type, you know, a couple of those little things that I like to have by the bed. So that goes there. Now this crazy looking contraption goes to my CPAP machine. Now where are you going to put the machine? Well, this right here is one of those lug trolleys, just like this, but bigger. And I discovered I can fit my machine in here. So it's not as huge as the bags they give you when you get your machines. And this can also fit in my under the seat in front of you bag. And this time I'm bringing this one instead of the other one that I brought in the last 2 trips, because this can fit. So I can either put it that way, or it's got the loop thing, you know, to put over your handles. So that will go in there. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, catch my breath, trying to think, is there anything else to go in there? Well, this is for, you know, the liquid little things. And of course that will be going in this bag. I'm taking this purse instead of my travel-on one this time. I don't need that big a purse. And it's got, you know, this is another lug one, crossbody. Nice little simple material. So I'm going to be taking this purse. And then of course this goes down in here also. Okay, this will go in here. It's nice and flat. What I put in here are like those little feminine little pads and masks, because we might be wearing masks. I know I will be on the plane and in the airport. So that will be going on top. I still need to fill it up. Otherwise, you know, here's my book. Everything else in here is going in the carry-on, under seat carry-on. Here's my mats. You fit in this little thing. Cords to charge. These go in the purse. Let's see, where did I set the purse down at? Oh, it back in here. Okay. So I'm going to move these things in there, just out of the way. Of course, my holder for the will go in my purse for my cell phone, sanitary bacterial wipes. Any paperwork, you know, like for our flight or where we're going to be parking. And see, that cleared off a lot, didn't it? So then also on the very top, I don't need this big. I'm bringing one of these bags, you know, Christmas one. So in case we go to the beach, I've got a bag that I can bring stuff in. Because I won't be bringing a tote bag type thing. So that leaves the dress. The dress is just going to go up in here. So that goes in there, and that goes in there. This shirt I'm not going to bring. And that's it. There we go. Let's tighten it up. And I can still fit a few more things in. Like I said, I got to fit that in over here. So, oh, here's one thing I didn't mention. Let me sit down now. Woo! Woo! Hot. This is one of those little apple little things that we put in our suitcase, so we know where our suitcase is at all times when we're traveling. And, you know, I always put it in this little outside flap here. And let's see. I always put one of these around my suitcase. This is a pretty one from Lug. So that will be going around the suitcase. And I still have places I can put paper and stuff in. So, going to be heavy. So that's it. Everything's packed. Before I did mine, I did Bob's. So that got me hot to begin with. It's only 74 in here, but woo. So, you know, I still got to go around and search to make sure that there's not things that I'm forgetting. Anyway, wondering, why did you pack Bob's? Well, because he's a baby. He could do it, but I pack things more efficiently. Let's put it that way. So, we're both packed. We're going to be all ready tonight. I'm going to take my shower tonight, wash my hair and everything. So, because we're leaving at from here at 5:30 in the morning and driving up to Phoenix. So that will do it. Now, aren't you glad you stuck around? Please comment below, share, like, and subscribe. And I hope you're all having a wonderful day. While I'm gone, you'll still be seeing my advent calendar things come up and a couple of other videos. So I get back on the 19th. So that's when I'll be back live. So I hope you all have a good week. I'm going to try to get some good pictures of the volcano going off because we will be on Kona. So I'm hoping it'll still be red, you know, like at night. So I can... So anything that I think is worth recording, you know I will. So I love you all. Bye.